Welcome back to the channel. We've had several people ask and comment on how you repair a reel. So figured why not do a video on it, since we keep hitting sprinkler heads and drain lids and breaking stuff almost on a daily basis. So I got two reels here off 3320 that the bed knife got deflected up enough, even though we're putting a lead in on the edge of the bed knife, and caught a reel blade, and it breaks the weld at the spider. And all we're doing is bending it back straight, welding it, and throwing it in the grinder. First thing we're going to do is remove the bed bar. One thing, so since it hit on this side, we're going to pay really close attention when we're unscrewing this adjuster and see if it's bent. Yep. Yep, it's bent. So we'll have to replace that pivot bolt for sure. Yeah, that's bad. So there's where it's broke loose on the spider. We'll just get it bent back in place and weld it up. So what he's doing here too is picking the right spot to support the reel, and we're going on the back side of the blade here and the roller. So when the reel rotates this way, you know, in the normal direction, it's going to be on the roller. So he's not really holding it. I can actually hold that in place. So we got it back in place pretty good. I think it may have broke loose. Yeah, it looks like it broke loose. Sometimes it'll break loose on the top when you bend it back as straight as you can. Other times it won't. So now we're going to take a carbide burr and prep this area. So we're just using the vice grip so we get a good ground on our ground clamp. And you put those strategically in place so when you put your ground clamp on, the reel will be in the right position. So we're just using 3/32, 70/18. Which is the most popular rod in our shop. Yeah, around 90 amps, electro positive DC.
Ready?
Mm-hmm. We're just going to reposition now so we can weld the bottom. A lot of times I like flipping it up on its lid, yeah, and I think it's a little easier to get to sometimes. And if you wanted to rotate it up, you just move your vice grips, or if you wanted to rotate it down, just move them this way, rotate it up, move them that way. So our weld's a little big right here. We're gonna grind it down because when we put a relief on this reel, our index guide's running down this blade and we don't want this to get in the way. So we're gonna grind this out, clean it up. All right, now we'll get it in the grinder. So right now we're basically just grinding that one blade that we welded on. That's why it sounds this way. So we got our reel ground and we had enough relief on the reel. We didn't grind any extra relief because this is kind of mid grinding, in between grinds. I'm just going to show you how it cuts on every blade. The joys of cutting paper. So nice. So I hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, see you, bye.